Today's topic for discussion is economic importance of fungi. Fungi are of tremendous economic importance to man. Our life is intimately linked with that of fungi, and they play an important role in medicine by yielding antibiotics. In agriculture, fungi are important by maintaining the soil fertility, and fungi causes many crop and fruit diseases. Some of them serve as food and some form basis of industry. They spoil the stored foodstuffs, textile, leather, rubber, plastic, timber, and even glass and plastic also. Let us see the use of fungi in agriculture. The saprophytic fungi which grow on dead organic matter, they play a very important role in decomposing the organic matter. During decomposition, various plant nutrients are released in soil, thus the humus is formed. The humus content of soil increases soil fertility. The soil fertility depends on the presence of humus in the soil, and humus is formed due to the action of several types of saprophytic fungi on dead organic matter of the plant. Okay. Hence the saprophytic fungi, hence the fungi are important in agriculture. Okay. Next. The role of fungi in biogeochemical cycle. Fungi acts on dead organic matter and the elements which are locked in the organic matter are released for recycling in biogeochemical cycles. Example, nitrogen cycle. Thus, the fungi acts as natural scavengers. Next. Role of fungi in fermentation industry. The fungi play vital role, very important role in the manufacture of wine, beer, alcohol, and also in making cheese and making bread. Even in bread industry this is used. The yeast is the fungus which is commonly used in bread industry for fermentation purpose. Fungi are used for getting various types of enzymes such as zymates, invertase, patinase, amylase, etc. On a commercial scale, these are produced and sold in market. The fungi are the chief source of commercial production of many organic acids like gluconic acid, gallic acid, citric acid, fumaric acid. These are the different organic acids which are prepared from fungi. Next, useful activity, economic beneficial activity of fungi, that is symbiotic activity of fungi. There are number of fungi which are associated with the roots of large trees or large plants like pinus as mycorrhiza. Mycorrhizae absorbs water and minerals from soil and make it available to the plant. And this is the symbiotic relationship between plant and fungus. Here the fungus is not parasitic. It is beneficial to plant, and plant supply food to the fungus, and fungus supply mineral and water to the plant. This such type of mutually beneficial relationship between plant and fungus is known as symbiotic relationship. The phenomenon is symbiosis. Okay. Next. Fungi also plays very important role in production of antibiotics and vitamins. Several antibiotics like penicillin, griseofulvin, etc. These are obtained from fungi like name of the fungus Penicillium chrysogenum and Penicillium notatum, Penicillium griseofulvum. All these are the fungal genera which are used in preparation of antibiotics. Streptomycin, it is one of the another antibiotic substance which is prepared from Streptomyces Griseous. These antibiotics inhibit the growth of microorganisms, also destroy them. Means the antibiotics are the substances which are prepared from the living organism, that is from fungi, and they are used against the harmful fungi, harmful fungal diseases or bacterial diseases, etc. Fungi like yeast is a fungus, it is a unicellular fungus. It is used in production of vitamins. Okay. In the same way, vitamins like riboflavin, pantothenic acid, pyridoxine, biotin, vitamin B, etc. are synthesized by fungal genera. Next, the fungi, some fungi used as food. Some fungi, especially the mushroom, Pleurotus, Morchella, these are the fungal species. Actually, these are the fruiting bodies of the fungi of the group Basidiomycetes, and these fruiting bodies are edible. Even the non-poisonous fruiting bodies are there, and these fungi, Agaricus, Pleurotus, Morchella, these are edible. Okay, these are edible and used as food. It is used to prepare as a vegetable in the kitchen, and they are good source of vitamins, minerals and proteins, and they have a nice flavor and a good taste. They are very delicious. Okay, and these fungi, the mushroom or Pleurotus, they do not contain sugar. Sugar is absent in this, hence this food is very good for the diabetic patients. Okay, next, fungi, how the fungi are used as medicine. Different types of medicines are also prepared from fungi. A number of medicines prepared from fungi. Ergot is obtained from the sclerotia of Claviceps purpurea. This Claviceps purpurea, it is a fungus which causes ergot disease of bajra. And from the ergot bodies, that is affected grains by the fungus, that is called ergot body, which is used in controlling different type, controlling the during childbirth. Some it is used during childbirth as a medicine. Okay, next, some fungi which are used for the production of organic acid. Several fungi are the source of organic acid and which are produced at commercial level, and fungi are used for the production of organic acid, gluconic acid, citric acid by the activity of Aspergillus niger. Calcium gluconate is used in the manufacture of toothpaste. Glycerol is produced during alcoholic fermentation by Saccharomyces cerevisiae and used in the manufacture of synthetic rubber. Okay, invertase, it is a type of enzyme, and enzyme is also used in chocolate coated candies and sugary syrups. Okay, amylase is a type of enzyme which is also synthesized from a fungus which is known as Aspergillus oryzae. Okay, it is used in the preparation of alcoholic beverages. Next, the growth promoting substances are also also prepared from some fungi, that is like gibberellin is a growth promoting substance which is synthesized from Fusarium moniliforme. It is a fungus, it is a soil borne fungus, and it is prepared from, gibberellin is prepared from Fusarium moniliforme. It is the source of gibberellin. All these are the beneficial aspects or economically important role of fungi. Okay, thank you very much. Save trees, save earth.